Today we are integrating what is right now the best free model available on OpenRouter directly into OpenClaw. And when I say free, I mean completely free, $0 per million tokens, no tricks, and this is for the next 2 weeks. We already have covered this Qwen 3.6 in great detail just few hours ago, and I believe this is one of the best model, and I really cannot wait for it to be released in open weights on Hugging Face. So while we wait for that, let's try to get it integrated with OpenClaw and then take advantage of this open router offering which we are going to test with OpenClaw. And if you are interested in the benchmarking of this model, just watch my other video. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. Let's get this OpenClaw installed. I'm going to do a fresh installation so that we could get the updated version. By the way, while it installs that, let's talk a bit more around this model, the Qwen 3.6. It is from Alibaba Cloud, released just few hours ago. It runs a hybrid architecture combining linear attention with a sparse mixture of expert routing, and the numbers are really serious. 78.8 on Sweetbench verified, major gains in agentic coding and front-end development over the 3.5 series, which we also covered thoroughly, and a 1 million token context window with 65K output. It performs at the level of leading frontier models, and it is completely free on OpenRouter right now for the next 2 weeks. If you have been following this channel, you already know OpenClaw, which we have covered to death, I would say. Our go-to AI agent platform that runs a persistent local gateway and supports any OpenAI compatible endpoint. So as you can see, I'm doing the fresh installation. I have wiped out the previous one, and I'm going to go and connect it to Qwen 3.6 Plus via OpenRouter. You can sign up to OpenRouter and then grab your API key, and then you can we are going to put it through some real coding test to see what this model can actually do when given tools and agent loop. So let's get started. And by the way, I would highly recommend for you to watch this Qwen 3.6 video which I did yesterday. You will be surprised how much capable this model is. And while you are there, please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you are looking for AI updates without any hype and fluff. Thank you for all the support. And let's go through this prompt of OpenClaw. I'm just going to accept the terms and condition. Let's do quick start, and then the provider of the model. So we just need to select the open router. So you just scroll down. It is alphabetic. So just select open router, and then it says that use existing. I already have, I think, but I have changed it. So I'm just going to select here no and give it my actual API key. So let me paste it and move to the next screen. And then you can select the model. I'm just going to enter it manually. I don't think so it is available in this list at the moment. So just remove this default model and then paste your model ID. This is the one which you can also grab from this OpenRouters page. Okay, let's go back and press enter here. Next up, if you want to integrate it with any of your channel like Telegram, Discord, you can do that. I'm not going to do in this video. I'm going to skip it, and if you're interested, you can just go to my channel, search for OpenClaw and watch any of these videos where we have integrated it with these sort of channels. Search, I'm just going to skip every other extra for now. We just want to see how it goes with vanilla OpenClaw. Let's go with the skills, press spacebar, skip, and then skip all of these. There is a lot of things to skip, so just skip everything for now. And it is now installing this core gateway service, which integrates your core OpenClaw with your channels. And our OpenClaw is now installed. Let's do this later, and then we will check out the version and other stuff. Now, one important bit here is that because of the OpenClaw hasn't updated this new model in their repo, so sometimes you might get an error while configuring that manually. If that happens, simply go in and run these commands where you are setting this agent as a default and then setting this model ID instead of what they have given on their repo. And I found it with a lot of trial and error. So make sure that you run this command if you are getting error. If it works, it works. Otherwise, just give these commands to get it configured through your config set agent command. Let me even show you. If I simply run this, sorry, I'll just do this, and I want to show you, sorry for my fumbleness, because this is important. Some people might struggle, and at the bleeding edge you can expect these sort of things, so I always make a point to show these things. So let's wait for it, and it is hopefully going to show us both of these which I have set now. And then hopefully this open router one would be the default, but let's wait and check. And there you go, you can see that it is now using that open router as default. And if you look at the previous one which we configured, it has marked it as missing now. So if you face that error, then you can also do this. Okay, and then you can not only use it in the terminal user interface, or you can use it in GUI, up to you. You can start talking with that model and it is going to give you the response back. The good thing I have noticed is that there is not much throttling happening. You can see that it is okay. So I just need to, one thing which you need to do, because I had set the config, you have to restart that gateway. So let me restart that gateway. Let's press Ctrl C, and you can then simply restart it with this command. And it is restarted. You can clear the screen and you can simply launch that TUI again, and this time it should work. And there you go. As soon as I have said hello, it has come back and it has started talking, and the model is now connected. This one is from, well, it's the same session, so this is a previous message, don't worry about it. By the way, another thing you can do is to open it in the dashboard. I personally don't like to use these dashboards. Mostly I love to work in CLI, but it's more powerful and flexible. But let me show you. You just run OpenClaw dashboard, and then you can use the same experience in your GUI or graphical user interface. It's the same thing. You see, it has got the previous one too, and it has got this new session which we have created. I'm just going to make it a bit bigger. There you go. So same chat which I was doing earlier there, and you can select different modes here if it allows you. So maybe I'll just go with the white one for a bit, or maybe this one. Which one is better? Let's go with this and make it a bit smaller so that it will fit in. Okay, and then you can just start chatting with it. The model is already selected, this 3+ free. And just to check the capabilities of the model, you can upload an image, and this is the image which I'm using, another AI generated one. Just landing page of a car rental website, and I have attached this image, and you can do that too by simply just clicking on this paper clip icon and then selecting your image like this one. And I'm asking it, look at this image and describe what you see in the detail, then build it as a complete single HTML file. So let's run this. And there you go, the assistant is working. It has already determined what that is showing. The OCR is amazingly good, and it is going to generate that HTML. So when you combine Qwen3.6 with OpenClaw, great things happen. And I already have been testing this model with Qwen3.6 with OpenClaw, and it's been really good. And as I mentioned earlier, it can do really good stuff. So again, please watch this video, the first one, and you will be surprised how much capable this model is. And another cool thing is that I also got a confirmation from the official Qwen team that they are going to release the smaller variants in open source openweight very soon, and we will be covering all of them as soon as we get our hands on them. It is also reading the tools and checking different things, and automatically you can see that it has also switched over to Qwen3.6 free. If it doesn't, it really doesn't matter if you are attaching to the existing session. But anyway, let's wait for it to build something, and I will show it to you in the browser. And Qwen3.6 has created this dark theme car rental.html locally with all the gadgets and stuff with the help of OpenRouter based Qwen3.6. Let's check out the magic. Let me drag and drop and we will check it out first time in front of you. There you go. How good is that? This was my original image, and from image to this single HTML file, it has done wonderfully well. You can see that it has even drawn some of the car images, and this is a self-contained HTML file without any dependencies. It is responsive, it is quite good, and I'm just browsing through it. Quite good. What happens if I just cancel it? Nothing, but it's all good. So look, very impressive, very impressive. Let me know what do you guys think about this model. Again, please check out that video, and now you know how to configure it with OpenClaw with all the quirks which I have shown you. Please share your thoughts. We will be covering this model more and more because there is a lot to cover in this model. Thank you for all the support.